I'm Dr. Soohan Mansuri. I'm board certified in family medicine and obesity medicine. Medicine is a career that's quite unique. It meets at the intersection of humanity as well as science, and that was very appealing to me. And that's what brought me to medicine. It's a timeless career. Initially, when I practiced family medicine, a lot of the diseases that we have did come down to a few root causes, and one of them was obesity. However, we didn't have enough time allocated just to deal with obesity. Oftentimes, it would be last few seconds to the minutes of your appointment, when in reality, it's really the big cause behind a lot of your problems. So obesity medicine certification usually allows you to get a little bit better trained in treating that. And it also allows you to have designated appointments just for obesity so you can focus on that. My general approach is how do I get them to be their best? Everyone has struggles, everyone has a different story. So my approach is what is most likely to harm this patient and how do I get them out of their harm and be their best self? So the biggest advantage of Torrance Memorial Physician Network is that I don't have to seek help outside the network. Everything that we need almost always exists here, especially if they have to go to the hospital. I don't have to hunt a lot of the records. Everything is in one place. The most rewarding aspect is when you make a change and you see it in real time, whether that's someone who was having chronic pain, trouble walking, and now you see the progress that they've made, or someone who came in with like 10 medications and you work with them to reduce it to bare minimum amount of medications with the hard work that the patients do. So that's the most rewarding aspect of our career. So the obesity specialty is a relatively new specialty. When I did primary care for the first few years of my career, we noticed that obesity is really the root cause behind a lot of the problems in patients, whether that's their blood pressure, their diabetes. And it's a problem that's probably going to get worse with time with the next generation. So the problem is there, we know it's a problem, but we don't have a designated specialty allocated to treat that. So the obesity certification allows us to use different tools in the community and come up with a more personalized plan for the patient, whether that's through the nutritionist or whether that's through strength training or other activities that they can do. So I'm Dr. Soohan Mansuri. I'm with Torrance Memorial Physician Network.